Good morning mga Repa Pips. Day 2 of our Japan trip or Tokyo trip. Kasi this time puro Tokyo lang tayo. So today is August 6. Medyo mainit kasi summer. And so ang plano for today is Asakusa. So we're visiting Asakusa today. And let's see. Basically open itinerary naman kami. Kaya yun yung maganda sa DIY na travel. You can make adjustments as you move forward. So yun. But initially we're planning to go to Asakusa and then Shinjuku later today. Okay? So tara, samahan nyo kami on our day 2 on Tokyo trip. See ya! Kaminarimon Gate. So ano ba yung meron sa Kaminarimon Gate? Nandun yung malaking parang red lantern na madalas nyo nakikita sa internet, and also Sensoji Temple, the infamous Sensoji Temple. So pupunta tayo doon ngayon. Mainit lang, sobrang init, grabe. I haven't checked kung ano yung temperature today, pero makikita nyo naman nata sa pawis ko. So this is it. Okay, so nandito na tayo. Ang daming tao. Just look at this one. So yung iba talaga nagpe-prepare pumunta rito eh. Nagre-rent ng mga kimono. They're dressing up para lang bisitahin tong site na to. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Asakusa. As you can see, that's the Kaminarimon Gate. And we are now at yung Nakamisu Street, yung mga strip of shops, mga traditional shops, souvenirs, and on. So we're heading to Sensoji Temple after this one. Pabaybayin lang natin itong street na to, and then doon naman tayo sa temple. G. This is the Sensoji Temple, of course located in Asakusa. If I'm not mistaken, isa to sa mga pinaka matagal na surviving temple all over Japan. So that's why it's famous, and very well-known tourist spot dito sa Tokyo. Eh bakit ba naman kasi hindi? Tingnan niyo naman. Look at that. Oh. Diba? If you're staying in Tokyo at hindi ka naman ganun kaano na bumiyahe in different places, pwede na to. Pwede ka nang hindi mag-Kyoto, pwede ka nang hindi magpunta ng mga, you know, useful traditional places para lang ma-feel yung cultural aspect ng Japan. Okay. So here's the Mikuji, yung fortune telling keme ng temple. Okay, so mga repapils, nandito tayo sa Dempo Indori. It's another strip siya ng shops din, pero mostly food naman, food items. I actually got big fried chicken, yung Taiwan big fried chicken, so pwede natin ito. Nakapila si Tony, yung wife ko, nakapila ngayon dun sa Menchi Katsu or Menchi Croquette. So try din natin yan. It's one of those famous na snack dito sa Asakusa. So of course, din natin palalampasin na tikman to. Medyo mainit lang, but we will try this together with the Menchi Katsu or Menchi Croquette. Okay? Good stuff. Okay, so big fried chicken. Let's see. Pero feeling ko pareho lang ito nung nasa Mega Mall dati. Sarap! Oishi! Okay, Repa Pips. So ngayon, try naman natin itong Menchi Croquette. So, para siyang burger patty. Minced pork. Then, covered siya ng mga breadings. Usually, pag sinabi mong croquette, it's potato, made of potato. Pero ito, made of minced pork. So, medyo mainit lang, pero try natin. Ang tang na init. Pero yun, sabi na mainit eh. Wait. Take two. Up. Good shit. Oh. Yep. Up. May mga fans ka. Tropa ko sa Japan. Okay. So, nakapila ulit tayo ngayon sa isang shop wherein onigiri naman. Pero, yung toppings or yung ingredient niya is unagi. Okay, I'll show you. So, this is unagi Asakusa Onana. Catchy yung name. So, onigiri, it's a rice ball. And yun nga, unagi. Parang grilled unagi. Or eel. That's it.
はい、山椒おかけしますか。はい。Thank you.
Let's go, let's try. Let's try. Unagi. Unagi Onana. Oh yes. Look at that. Ooh. Unahan na natin ito. first bite. Oh, bawal dito. Di pa tayo.
I will have more fries. Oh, go.
Yes. Yes. Nasa Shinjuku tayo ngayon. We're gonna look for something to buy. Specifically, sapatos ng mga kids. So let's check kung ano meron. Okay mga Repa Pips, so dito tayo ngayon sa Shinjuku. So nandun yung Godzilla na Gracie Hotel. Okay, so naghahanap tayo ng kakainan muna. It's currently 2:44, so medyo late lunch na to. And we're specifically looking for Ichiran, of course. Doon tayo sa Ichiran. So, hanap tayo ng Ichiran na malapit dito sa lugar na to, and then balikan ko kayo. Okay? Yan! Nakita na natin. Let's go to Ichiran. Let's go! Okay, so, order tayo ng classic tonkotsu ramen. Or probably we can do, eto na mismo yung recommended nila. Para it's a mix of chashu and yung vegetable and egg. So let's try that. So let's add two more. Tapos isang classic, or dalawang classic, kaya na and then additional chashu. One additional chashu. That's one. Okay, so we have total of 7,080 yen. Let's pay. Cash. Wait.
こちら前失礼いたします。お待たせいたしました。暑いのでお気をつけくださいませ。お待たせいたしました。暑いのでお気をつけくださいませ。それでは失礼いたします。
Television siya. Oh, that was a good meal. How was it, Kobe?
Very, very good. But I couldn't eat too much.
It was mecha oishi.
Mecha oil.
May nakita ako, nagulat ako, akala ko sikat na si AI dito.